Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video we're going to be exploring everything that happened in social media this week, or the main points that happened, or the important stuff, so you can get caught up with all your favorite apps. So if that's content that interests you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel down below. And with that being said, let's just dive straight into the video. Okay, so kicking off this week, we have new Snapchat originals to be released in the coming future. So it says here, new Snapchat originals announced, plus a new creator marketplace on the way. Now, we're not going to be getting into the creator marketplace, but that is also something that did happen this week. And as you know, Snapchat has original series, as you could call it, and basically the celebrities on the app will have their own show. So you can see here a show by Megan Thee Stallion, Charlie and Dixie D'Amelio, and all these other shows coming to Snapchat in the coming weeks. So it says, today we're excited to announce a new slate of Snap originals debuting this year. Made for mobile shows started on Snapchat, we've created over 128 original series, so there's no shortage of Snapchat originals to go around. Now, if you're familiar with YouTube, YouTube has YouTube originals as well, but you would need to be a premium user of YouTube to get access to the originals. With Snapchat, pretty much anyone can get access to them. So that is something to look forward to. Now, if you want to go ahead and see a full list of all the Snapchat originals that are out right now, you can go ahead and go to this website, snaporiginals.snapchat.com, and then you can scroll down and you can see all of the original shows that you have available at the moment. So you have Fake Up, Wolf from Home Holiday Special from Will Smith. That's a very interesting one. And you can go ahead and see what season they're on and how many episodes, and if it's scripted or non-scripted, and the premiere date. So this particular one was released on December 14th of 2020. So Snapchat originals are interesting, and if you don't know how to get Snapchat originals, basically you can go ahead and open up Snapchat. You can swipe to the left on the camera, and then you can go ahead and search for them within the Discover section of Snapchat. So if you know the name of the original, like you want to go ahead and watch Will from Home Holiday Special, you will just go ahead and type in Will from Home into the search bar, and then it will pop up, and then you'll be able to go ahead and watch all 10 episodes. So that's some pretty interesting stuff coming to Snapchat this week. And the next one on the list is YouTube Shorts. We all know YouTube Shorts was debuted in India, and since the release of YouTube Shorts, it has become a hit on the websites, with millions and millions of YouTube Shorts being uploaded onto the platform. Now, if you're not familiar what a YouTube Short is, it's basically a short video up to 60 seconds long in vertical format. So the video needs to be in vertical format. And it says here, YouTube Shorts now rolls out to all creators in the US with a couple of new features. So this is basically their TikTok competitor, and they have a video here explaining it, if you can go ahead and watch this on the Creator Insider YouTube channel. So US creators will get access to YouTube Shorts now with a whole bunch of other features. You do have the ability to upload 60-second videos from the YouTube app itself now. So if you go ahead and open up your YouTube app and then go to the post button, you will see the option for YouTube Shorts if you're in the USA. And then you can go ahead and select whether you want to go ahead and upload a 15-second YouTube short or a 60-second YouTube short. Now keep in mind that the 60-second version won't support music, I believe. Yes, that's correct. However, the 60-second video option won't support music. So you'll just have to keep that in mind when you're creating YouTube Shorts in the 60-second mode. And you can see a little picture here. If you go ahead and click on this plus icon from within the YouTube app, you can go ahead and upload your YouTube Shorts directly from your YouTube app, which is cool. So if you're based in the US, that is great news for you. Next up on the news this week is we have TikTok rolling out 3-minute videos. Some creators have been reporting that they've been seeing 3-minute videos on their For You page. And TikTok was testing this 3-minute video recently. They tested it out in December 2020, and now they're starting to appear on the TikTok For You page. So TikTok 3-minute videos won't be available for everyone right at the moment. It's going to be basically set aside for creators that have a large following, verified accounts, and things like that as they roll it out. And then as more and more of those users use the 3-minute feature, they're going to roll it out to even more users, and eventually it's going to get to everyone. So that's pretty exciting. I'm not sure how I feel about 3-minute videos on TikTok because the whole experience is based around very short clips. So I don't know if it's going to go ahead and take away from the user experience on TikTok, but we'll just have to wait and see. But that's interesting to note. TikTok now has 3-minute videos. I personally haven't seen any on my For You page. But if you have seen a 3-minute video on your TikTok recently, go ahead and drop a comment down below saying 3-minute, and I'll know that you saw a 3-minute video on your TikTok. Okay, so next up on the list is we have Snapchat getting dark mode for most of the iOS users. So if you have an iPhone, that is great news for you. You can now get Snapchat dark mode. It says here it's been rolled out to more than 90% of the iOS user base. Now on my iPhone, I have updated it and everything, and I still don't have dark mode, so I must be in that 10%. So if you don't have it yet, just keep on updating your app, and then eventually you will get dark mode, which is a nice feature because some people don't like the harshness on their eyes when they're using Snapchat at night. But there's not much to this specific news piece. It just means that you can get dark mode on Snapchat, and this is what it looks like. Just like any other app has dark mode, Snapchat was kind of late to the party, taking over a year to get dark mode onto their app, but it's finally here and it looks pretty nice if you ask me. And you can see here you can choose if you want to match your system. So you can choose the system theme, or you can have always light, and then you can have always dark. But I personally will just have it all the time on always dark. So to get Snapchat dark mode, all you need to do is log into your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left hand corner, then go to the settings cog, and then you will see underneath near the bottom of your account settings, it's going to say app appearance, and then you'll get this menu that you see here, app appearance. So it shows you here in this little picture, and that's just basically what I've explained. So to summarize it, you get new Snapchat originals coming to Snapchat in the near future. And if you want to go ahead and look at the Snapchat Originals YouTube channel, you can go ahead and do that. They have all these videos about Snapchat Originals that you can go ahead and watch on their YouTube channel. And then YouTube Shorts gets rolled out to the majority of US users. Snapchat gets dark mode, and TikTok gets 3-minute videos. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of social media news this week. If you did, drop a like on this video so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss the next week's episode of social media news this week. And with that being said, I'll see you in the regular scheduled content tomorrow. Take care.